Hi everybody, it's Deb from DnDArtGallery. Today I'm working with an 8-inch round canvas, and I put a layer of Artist Loft Flow Acrylic white and about 2 tablespoons of bare satin enamel. I've added that to my base coat, and I'm also going to use that with my pour. It's just going to be a dirty cup pour. And my other paints are Artist Select Dioxazine Purple and FolkArt Copper. And the last one is a wine color that I made up myself. And I'm still trying to go for that, just a little challenge myself of 3 colors plus white. So that's what we're doing today. So let me get a cup and we'll start layering those paints. No particular order, but I will start out with a little bit of the white. And pouring medium today is 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. A squirt of GAC 800 was added to all the paints. I did not add silicone today. And we'll add the dioxazine purple next. And a little bit of the copper. And the wine. And then we'll go for the white again. This little canvas won't need a whole lot of paint. And let's try the dioxazine purple again. The copper. And the wine. A little bit of the white. Purple. Copper. And the wine. And I think that should do it. First, I'm going to torch my little canvas here, since I did put down that layer of the white. And now I'm just going to pour it on, but maybe in a circular motion. Okay. And I am going to use a little bit of the white around the edge here of the paint. And I will torch a little bit before I start to tip. Okay, and I'll start to tip now. Just bringing it back towards the center. And it looks like all my edges are covered very nicely. And I'll just set it back down and take a look at it. Maybe I'll just tip a little bit down this way a little more. And bring it back. Okay, take another look. Maybe just tip a little bit this way. I think I'll just use my finger to clean off the bottoms here. I think I'll just tip it a little bit more down this way. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. And I'm going to torch one more time. Just run my finger along the bottom again. And check the edges. Okay, give it a torch. So this is day 2 of my challenge to myself of using white and 3 other colors. And I think this turned out pretty good. I like the cells, I like the colors. Seems like everything came through. Maybe not so much the copper, but I noticed I did run some of the copper off the edges. But I'll get you down for a close-up. Okay, I'll just go all the way around it. And just see what you think of it. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up or like, share, subscribe if you haven't. Make sure that you hit the bell and choose all so you'll know the next time that I do post a new video. Thanks for sharing your time with me today. And this is a short video for me. And until next time, take care, everybody. Bye.